Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is IPersistFile saved failed code 0x80070005 or 0x80070002 in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. You can also use the shortcut keys, which are by pressing Windows and I key together, that will lead you to the settings. Okay. So once you are here at the settings window, please proceed at the left side of it. You can see there an option called privacy and security. Tap on it and you would be able to open the privacy and security tab. We're here, proceed at the first security and go with Windows security tab. Tap on it. And here you need to look for open Windows security options. Click on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Windows Security window. Here in this screen or window, you need to proceed at the Virus and Threat Protection. Tap on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for an option called Ransomware Protection, where here you need to click with Manage Ransomware Protection. Okay. So you would be able to see a first option, which is controlled folder access, where it will protect files, folders, and memory areas in your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. Now, the reason why you get an error is that you have turned it on. In my case, I have already turned it off. Okay, so you need to click on it and turn it off. And before turning it off, your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to successfully turn it off or disable your controlled folder access. And that way, you would be able to you will be able to authorize any applications to open or install here or run here in your Windows. Okay. Once done, close this window and try to install or run again the application or program that you are currently facing an error with. Okay, I'm sure it will be working this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment if you have successfully installed the application that you have faced an error earlier. Okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.